Hello, I'm back. I just had a lot going on in my mind, in my life, in moving here. Yeah, I moved to Nashville. I don't live in Chicago anymore. Really quick change of events, quick change of life plans. I think if you're in your 20s, maybe you can relate. I'm gonna do something I've been wanting to do for a while now, which is use my film camera. I bought this film like a while ago. It's this one. One of the first ones that Google told me to buy, so I bought it. And basically, yeah, I've always wanted to develop it and like actually do it. So we're gonna do it today. I watched a 45-second video on YouTube about how to load it, so let's give it a shot. In the video, the guy essentially just put this there and then pulled it across, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, I think that worked. Yeah, it says 1. Okay, we're good. Should we try a first photo? Okay, I think that was the first one. We're gonna go to Sonic and then take it up to my lookout spot, which was in my other video if you watched it, the one where I said nothing. So I feel like I should explain a little bit. I always wanted to move closer to Nashville, and I really wasn't liking my job. I just literally one weekend applied to a bunch of jobs, not a bunch, even just like 4 or 5. Wait, I think it was like 6. And I ended up interviewing with 3 different places. I took an offer from a company that I absolutely love. And so far, I literally love it so much. And it's such a great change from what I was doing before. That being said, moving, I do miss a lot of my friends. I'm here, I'm closer to my parents, literally so close. We share the same address right now. I moved in with them until I figure out exactly what I want to do. That's pretty much it. There's like a ton of other stuff, but those were the main things. Oh, we're gonna go here. Okay. Perfect. I think I'm gonna take a picture of the Sonic drink, so. Oh, it looks so cool. Can you see through that? Ooh. I think this is gonna look so cool. And if you're like, why are you taking a picture of a Sonic drink? That's so stupid. I've had this film for months, probably like a year, and I haven't taken a picture of anything yet. So I actually went on like 5 dates since I've been here. I went through a breakup in November. So like, oh my gosh, it's been almost 9 months now, but it wasn't a clean breakup. Yeah, it was really, really hard. And I'd been with the guy for like almost 3 years, and it was really serious. And yeah, he lives in Nashville too. Actually within an eye shot of where I work. So that's wonderful. I'm not gonna lie, when I moved here, I wanted to get back together. And so it was a tough pill to swallow when that didn't happen. And yeah, I got in like a pretty dark headspace, but I was also like in a good headspace because I loved living here. Anyways, I don't know if I'm oversharing, but there's like 10 of you. And you might all be bots. I'm not convinced you're real necessarily. But anyways, the reason I bring this up is because this shirt from Reformation, it's on sale right now. Probably gone by this point, but I wore this shirt on every single one of my first dates. I didn't want to have to think about my outfit, so I just found one that I liked and wore it every single time. literally the exact same outfit. This shirt and jeans, like baggier, loosier fitting jeans. But yeah, so I wore this shirt on every single first date. And yeah, I still like this shirt. It's been with me through, I was gonna say thick and thin, but not really much thick. Ooh, that sounded so weird. It was interesting dating other people. Like, how am I supposed to know if I like a stranger, you know? I don't know. I just think like online dating, at least right now for me, it's too, like, I just don't think it works for me. But I tried it and probably will try it again once I get like super lonely or something. But right now I'm just enjoying living my life and trying to make friends and trying to make girlfriends, because I think having like a group of girlfriends is so important. Not just friends in general, but like girlfriends too. So okay, me and this butterfly seem to just be friends. I took 35 photos, mainly of the butterfly. I feel like that's gonna be some of the best pictures I could ever get ever. So I figured I'd just take them all. I only have one left actually. I would call that successful. So, oh, I see another one. I have to go. Let's see if we can get him. Look. Let me know if you guys see any poison ivy. Oh my gosh. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Okay. Oh, I definitely feel some poison ivy coming on. Oh my gosh. This is unreal. Okay, I tried to take the last photo of the last butterfly and it went to 37, so I have no clue how many I have now. Just look how beautiful that is. I can't even believe it. Also, that knee is definitely on poison ivy watch. I would give it a 20% chance that I got poison ivy. Okay, update. I don't think it's poison ivy. I think it's just something that I was allergic to.